Hi Sarah, firstly welcome to telechatter.com. Could you tell us about your association with Week School?
Well, this is the first time that I've been associated with them, and it's absolutely an honor to be here for such a noble cause.
Alright, do you think it really makes a difference?
Yes, I think that the key to any sort of difference is awareness, and it's events like this that people sort of pick up the papers and read about, and it sort of leaves them with a hopeful note, or at least that's my opinion.
Alright. Also for our viewers, if you could tell us like these days, like what are you doing? Personally, like what are your hobbies? Something which you can share with us.
Well, when I'm not working, I spend a lot of my time making music, or dancing, or cooking, and I'm working on. I just finished shooting a film which comes out next year called Angry Indian Goddesses, and O Teri with Pulkit Samrat comes out on the 7th of March. I'm also doing Happy New Year, which comes out next year. Yeah, I'm been busy.
Alright, so 2014 also is going to be a very busy and happy year for you.
I hope so.
Alright, so if not acting, like what actually inclined you towards taking up acting?
Well, it started off with the love of just being on stage as a youngster, and that sort of translated into then finding its way into me being a model and doing commercials, to then becoming a Miss India, and then the acting sort of presented itself to me, and I took the opportunity up, and then found that I really liked it as well.
Alright, so these days there are a lot of television actors doing films. What do you have to say about that? The entire thing about television stars doing films.
I mean, acting is acting, right? It doesn't matter what medium you do it on. So there's nothing much to really say. It's just how you choose, what medium you choose to share with the public on. It can be TV, it can be film, it can be theatre.
This is not there earlier in India. Do you think we go in the Hollywood way?
No, we're not doing anything.
Alright. Also, if you were not an actor, what would you have taken up?
If I wasn't an actor and a musician, I would have probably been a chef.
Alright. On a scale of 1 to 10, if you rate your acting skills, 10 is the highest. How would you rate yourself?
That's not my job.
Alright. Any message to telechatter.com fans?
Yeah, to all the fans of Telechatter, it's the end of the year. I hope you had a wonderful year so far, and enjoy the festive season and have a fabulous year next year.